In this video, I'll show you how to add Wise as a payment method to your Shopify store. First, there's one important thing to clear up. Wise is not listed by Shopify as a built-in checkout payment gateway the way Shopify Payments or other third-party payment providers are. Shopify says payment methods at checkout are handled through Shopify Payments or supported third-party payment providers, and Wise's own guidance explains that Wise is typically used alongside Shopify as the account where you receive payouts, not as the checkout processor itself. So if your goal is to let customers pay with Wise directly at checkout, I couldn't verify an official native Wise checkout integration in Shopify's payment provider resources. But if your goal is to receive your Shopify money into Wise, that can work in some setups by connecting your Wise business account details as the payout bank account or receiving account, depending on your country and payment setup. Wise says you need a Wise business account with account details enabled for this. To set that up, first open a Wise business account and make sure you have the local account details for the currency you want to receive, such as USD, GBP, EUR, or another supported currency. Wise says those account details are what you use when linking Wise with Shopify-related payout flows. Next, go to your Shopify admin and open Settings, then Payments. If you use Shopify Payments, open the Manage section for payouts and review the bank account details connected to your store. Shopify says payout details and bank account setup depend on your country. And Wise notes that the exact connection process can vary by location and by which payment gateway you use. Then enter your Wise business receiving details if they match Shopify's requirements for your country and currency. This is the part where you should be very careful because Shopify Payments has country-specific bank account rules, and not every Wise account detail will necessarily qualify for every Shopify Payments region. Shopify's supported country pages are the place to verify what kind of payout account is accepted where your business is based. So the key takeaway is this. You usually don't add Wise as a customer checkout payment method in Shopify. Instead, you may be able to use Wise Business as the account that receives your Shopify payouts, depending on your country and setup. If you want customers to pay on your store, use Shopify Payments or one of Shopify's supported third-party payment providers, then connect Wise on the payout side if your region supports it. That's how to add Wise to Shopify in the way it's commonly supported today. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.